I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix overheating on your Android device. An overheating Android phone can drain your battery quickly, causing lag or even shutdown to protect its internal hardware. Thankfully, a few quick adjustments can usually cool things down. First, check for rogue background apps. Some apps continue to run, demanding processes in the background, which puts a continuous load on your phone's processor. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap Battery and then tap Battery Usage. Step 3. Look at the list to see if any specific app is consuming an unusual amount of battery. Step 4. If you see an app using way too much power, tap it, select Force Stop, and then tap OK. Or consider uninstalling it if you do not use it regularly. Next, reduce screen brightness and limit heavy features. High screen brightness generates a significant amount of heat. Lowering your brightness or turning on adaptive brightness helps immediately. You can reduce your screen brightness by tapping Settings, Display and Touch, and Brightness Level. From there, you can adjust the brightness of your Android screen using the slider at the top. You should also temporarily disable features you are not using, such as GPS location tracking, Bluetooth, and mobile hotspot, as these continuously draw power and heat up the device. Another common cause of overheating is fast charging while using the device or leaving a thick case on during charging. Heavy protective cases can trap heat around the battery. If your phone gets hot while plugged in, remove the case while charging and avoid playing games or streaming video while the battery is topping off. Finally, keep your operating system updated. Software bugs can cause the processor to run harder than necessary. Go into Settings, tap System or Software Update, and install any pending system updates to ensure your device is running efficiently. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.